You don't have to sacrifice your favorite treats on the low-carb keto diet. This cheesecake is made with only 8 ingredients and will satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track at the same time. Combine 2 cups of blanched almond flour, 3 tablespoons of powdered erythritol sweetener, a 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter, there is a marking on your butter wrapper, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract in a food processor. Pulse until you see pea-sized crumbs that stick together. Coat a 9-inch springform pan with cooking spray and line the bottom with parchment paper. Transfer crust mixture to the prepared springform pan and press into the bottom to cover in an even layer. Bake for about 10 minutes or until the edges start to crisp and brown, then remove and allow to cool. Now, wash your food processor, because you're gonna need it again. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese and 1 1/4 cups of powdered erythritol sweetener. Beat on medium speed until completely smooth and creamy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed, which may be a couple of times. Add in 4 large eggs one at a time, beating for 1 minute in between until the mixture is light and resembles a thick batter. Beat in a tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pour batter over the top of the pre-baked crust. Set aside a few raspberries for garnish and combine the remaining raspberries and sweetener in your food processor. Pulse until smooth, then strain out any seeds with a mesh strainer. Add dollops of the raspberry puree to the cheesecake batter in the pan and lightly drag a knife or toothpick through the puree to create a decorative marbled pattern. Wrap your springform pan in aluminum foil to prevent leaks. Bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes in the center rack of your 325-degree oven until the sides of the cheesecake are firm and only about 2 to 3 inches of the center remain jiggly. To remove the cheesecake from the pan, run a sharp knife between the cheesecake and the ring of the springform pan, leaving the bottom of the pan in place to serve. Allrecipes user Pat Estep said, "Had I been served this cheesecake in a cafe, I would never have believed that it was keto-friendly or low-calorie. I will make this cake even after I stop doing the keto diet. I cannot say enough about how good it was." Top with reserved raspberries and any remaining puree. Then sit back and enjoy your delicious cheesecake.